Number 4, the lengths of the side of a triangle are given. You're going to classify if it's acute, right, or obtuse. Okay, so let's identify this. A can be 3, B is 8, and C, because it is the longest side, has to be 10. So we try to plug it into a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. If it is equal to, we can confirm that it is right. So 3 squared plus 8 squared is equal to 100 squared. All right, so 3 squared plus 8 squared in the calculator, that is 73, and this is 10 squared, which is just 100. So this here is not right, and then all we have to do is take a look at this. Okay, this is your c squared. Your c squared here was technically greater than your a squared plus your b squared. Because it's like this, we can say this is obtuse. All right, let's take a look at the other ones. A can be 4, B is 5, and C is the longest, which is 7. So let's plug it in. 4 squared, 5 squared is equal to 7 squared. 4 squared plus 5 squared, which is 41, and this is equal to 49. This is not true. Again, this is C squared, and notice C squared here, it is bigger than A squared plus B squared. This is obtuse. The last one, A can be equals to 12, B equals to 15, C equals to 19. 12 squared plus 15 squared is equal to 19 squared. 12 squared plus 15 squared, which is 369, equal to 19 squared, which is 361. That is not true. Notice C squared here. C squared here is less than A squared plus B squared. Therefore, this makes it acute. So this is how you are able to identify if it's acute or obtuse once you know it's not right.